That's the word from CEO Umang Vohra. He caught up exclusively with my colleague Archana Shukla. Vohra going on to say that the pharma giant is always on the prowl for acquisitions. He also asserted that Cipla is in the market to only buy and no part of Cipla is on sale.
Now in terms of assessment for growing your scale in the US, would you look at more acquisitions? There are more, global assets that are coming on the block right now. Sandoz has, spoken. There are some more assets that Teva could hive off. Would you still be in the market for looking, and if you are already looking at something?
We will always look. But if you were to ask me whether our capital allocation would be more towards generic, and that ticks the one, I think US generics less. Emerging market generics, which are deep market pools like China and Brazil, yes, we tick that box. Specialty as a new area, whether we'd spend more money into specialty, for sure, yes. Would
there be some, assets within Cipla that you would want to divest? Would that also be on the mind when you're looking at charting this, the consolidation of your business, where you have looked at divesting a few of your emerging markets assets? Does India feature somewhere? Is there something that you think doesn't work for Cipla? In Cipla, which you would...
So I think we've done quite a few. We've done our vet business, we divested that, and a couple of these portfolios in other countries, Croatia, etc. We've sold all of that. So all that's done. Would we like to divest any part of our business? Not sure. If we do a really huge deal in Cipla that transforms Cipla for the future, and the likelihood of that is low, could we use one of our businesses as as a means of raising some amount of cash? For example, could we think of our India business or our South Africa business in a different manner, right? Yes, but we will never sell them.
Okay.
So we'll never be sellers for any of our businesses. We might use them to bring in capital, but never to sell them. But I don't think it's going to be the core markets. At this point in time, Cipla in no part is up for sale, right? So Cipla's done away with what it needed to, and right now it's in a mood to consolidate.
And buy more.
And buy more.
In the US market also?
In the US specialty side, yes.